Why are you doing that? Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm and my Ipsy. Well, this is Ipsy Plus, so if you guys would like to see what's inside, continue watching. So first, let's go in with Ipsy. So this is for the month January. I was like, what was it again? Discover yourself. All right. Yeah, I think this is the stuff that I did order as well. I think, I'm not sure, I hope, I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll be able to tell you from looking in here. So this is Clean Slate. First thing I see is this one right here. This is the bestsellers kit. I think I cashed this one in. So this is one of the items that I cashed. I don't know what's the proper term. My points, my rewards. So this is the bestsellers kit, and it comes with an eyebrow pencil, the concealer and highlighter, the brow gel, and the smudge brush. In here it is full size products, which I'm really freaking excited about. So I got a full size eyebrow gel, full size concealer and highlighter, the brush, and then the mechanical eyebrow pencil, which I'm freaking stoked. It says bestsellers kit, so I can't wait to do a video on this. You guys know I like doing eyebrow videos, so I'm stoked about that. I'm so glad we got that. Another thing I cashed in was this. This is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. Look at this. Oh, that is gorgeous. Mira. And I got it because of points. That is freaking dope. I like that. Like, look how pretty these colors are. It matches with what I'm wearing right now. And you guys know, those are just my colors that I gravitate towards. So, yeah. So I got that. Oh, no. This was... Oh, okay. So this... Oh, okay. I don't know if this is the... It says $1 billion Brows Bestseller Kit. Shape and Define. This kit is your one-step brow shop with a self-sharpening and universal shaded pencil, double end highlighter duo, clear gel. Oh, okay, duh. Okay, so this isn't what I cashed in. I cashed in this. These are the things that I got in for my points. The Huda is still freaking amazing. All right, okay, so excuse that. So this is something that you will get in your Ipsy if, because I know there's different variations and stuff, but this is one of the things. Now the next thing is the Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner. Ooh, very pigmented too. Oh, we got a cute little baggie. Mira, cute little bag, very cute. Very cute. I like that. And then we got these, which these feel so freaking cool. This is the Pink Milk Mask, Tone and Radiance, dermatologist tested. We got 2 of them. That is so freaking cool. It says a set of 6. This is the value of $14.98 for 6 of them. It says take skin from dull to dewy in less than 20 minutes. Perfect for that post-holiday self-care Sunday, which is freaking awesome. So that is so freaking neat. Look at them. They look really cool. So I can't wait to try that out. Next, we got the Wander Beauty Wanderlust Rush eyeshadow palette. And this one goes for $25. Here's that one. I'm not that impressed with it, to be honest. I feel like it could be a little bit prettier. But it's because like I gravitate towards shades like the Huda Beauty or like more of like a matte, but this is more of like, let me know down below if you guys would like this palette, because I feel like this for me personally is just something that I wouldn't wear, you know what I mean? I'm just going to hoard it, and I need to stop doing that. And then last but not least, this is the Flesh Glisten Drops in Candy Glow, and this one goes for $28. Oh, that looks cute. Oh, can I pull off the color though? Look at that. Can you guys see it? It's like a little like, ooh. Okay, at first I was like, I don't think I'll be able to pull it off, but I think so. I think so. So we got that, which is so freaking nice. And I haven't tried anything from Flesh, so that's pretty cool. Get to try that. So that is everything from the Ipsy. And then this is, so I cashed out the Huda Beauty. Oh, I'm gonna see if I can go back and get another one. And if I can, I'll be doing a giveaway for you guys. So this is the Pixie Blush. And I grabbed the shade Beach Rose. And I think that's going to be perfect for the blushes that I like. I love that. Okay, I'm happy with that. Yeah. And then last but not least, this is from Perlice. This is the coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. Smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. I am excited to try this out. I love a good coffee scrub. So hopefully it does some magic when I'm taking a shower. Oh, that smells good. If you guys know of a really good body scrub, let me know, because I tend to get like lots of like ingrown hairs when I shave my legs. And I know it's because like it has to do with hydrating. Keep yourself hydrated. Okay, besides that, a good body scrub. Please let me know so I can try that out. So that was everything for my Ipsy box. I'm very happy with it. Now for Boxycharm. Now I usually do like a get ready with me and stuff, but I'll do that in a separate video. I came home and I got the Ipsy box, so I was like, oh, I'll just do a 2-in-1. I've never done a 2-in-1 before, so that's why. So if you guys were like, what the heck, that's why. This box, this is Breaking the Ice, and the first thing I see in here is Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust, and this packaging is so freaking pretty. Look at that. Now this palette goes for $34.99. Ooh, those are some pretty colors. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This one right here especially. Oh yeah. Oh, Sangria, Bahamas, Hibiscus, Pink Moon. Now that is a really, really pretty palette. I can see myself using this one. Oh yeah. I'm definitely gonna play with that one. That one looks super freaking pretty. Next thing we have in here, which is I'm so freaking excited about, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and this one goes for $22. I have a mini one and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love applying it at night. It feels so amazing on the skin. I wake up and my face feels like a baby's ass. It feels so freaking soft. So I'm so glad I got another one, because I'm already running really, really low on the other one. So oh yeah, I'm so glad. I hope everyone got this in their box, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry, but this is freaking bomb. Hell yeah. Next thing is the Too Faced Diamond Light. This one right here, this one is Fire Highlighter. This one goes for $36. I already have this one. See, mine's right here. So I will be putting this one in a giveaway. Let me put this over. Put that in there. Look at how cute it comes, okay? So it comes like this. So it's like, and then I'll swatch. They picked a good shade too, because this one's really, really nice. So here is, it's very, very pretty. You can pop that on your inner eye for a highlighter, on top of the lid. It just really just, ooh, it catches the light very, very, very beautifully. So I don't need another one, so I would definitely be sending out to a FAMBAM. This is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil, and this one is $25. Now I want to see how the wand is. Let me see. Ooh, I already know I'm gonna like it because it doesn't look wet. I really don't gravitate towards a lot of like wet mascaras because I feel like it makes such a mess. I like it when mascaras look a little dry because I feel like it's just going to dry very quickly on my eyelashes, and my eyelashes are going to look really, really nice and thick. I already have mascara on right now, so I can't wait to see how this performs. I'll definitely let you guys know. If you guys already have tried this out, let me know down below your guys' thoughts. If you guys love it, if you guys hate it, I would love to know. Mira, this thing is freaking huge. Last but not least, this is the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Goes for $36. To be honest, I don't see myself using this one, so I will definitely put that in a giveaway for you guys. So you guys will get a Wander Beauty palette and a Wander Beauty blush and bronzer duo. It's nice. It's not like something that I would use, the color, so I will be putting that in a giveaway for you guys. So I'll be putting it in this really nice bag for you guys. I'll be putting the Wander eyeshadow, Too Faced highlighter. I can't fit it in there and I don't want to ruin it for you guys, so I'll be doing a giveaway on these 3 items right here. Make sure that you like, comment, and you're subscribed and share this video, and that automatically enters you in the giveaway. So that was everything in my Boxycharm. I'm super excited for these items right here. I'm super excited for these items right here. I also like the Too Faced highlighter as well, which is a freaking steal. So that is really, really, really good, especially for the price. I feel like it's so freaking good, so amazing. It's just like a bang for your buck. Love it. So For the Ipsy and Boxycharm, I will be linking the links down below. They are affiliated links. You do not have to use them, but if you do, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like to see videos like this again, where I show you guys both boxes, or if you guys want to see like just them by themselves. You guys let me know down below. I would love to do that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Te quiero mucho. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.